Train number 4, Union Pacific. Woo! Union Pacific 7260, 4851, and 8448. With a really good horn show. Woo! We got some NS steel coils coming up. A lot of them actually. Well, not a lot, but a few of them. To the engineer of this Union Pacific train right here, shout out to you. Thank you for that horn show. If you see this video, the Union Pacific engineer of this train right here, if you see this video, thank you for that horn show. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Hey, brand new hopper, no graffiti. Nice. In case y'all are wondering, for any other rail fans who see this video, if you're wondering why I shout out the engineers now, it's because I want to thank them. If they I highly doubt it, but like if they do ever see this video or like my videos, I wanna give a shout out to them and just like kind of tell them thank you for the horn shows that y'all give me, because that's my favorite thing about trains, is getting horn shows from engineers. Even if it's just like a wave, I still appreciate it. But I'm starting to shout out engineers who give me horn shows or a wave. So I already shouted out one Union Pacific engineer in my video today. So the engineer of this Union Pacific right here, thank you for the horn show. Thank you for that amazing horn show. Oh, he's got Autorax. Okay. And it looks like the Autorax is the end. There's 3 Autorax, which looks like it's the end of this train. Nope, just really low gondolas. Okay, oops, sorry about that. Lost my balance for a second, sorry about that. Got 2 BNSF Autorax and a Ferromex Autorax, which has 0 graffiti on it. Kind of surprised I haven't seen any boxcars on this train yet. Okay, now I see the end. No, I don't. Jeez. Flat cost must be really low. I'm always thinking it's the end of the train, but apparently not. Okay, now I see the end. Okay, there we go. Now I see the end. These low flat cars got me thinking it's the end of the train. Crazy. There goes the end of train number 4 of today in Metairie, Union Pacific, with a very, very good horn show. There goes the gates. Hope y'all enjoy.